guys, today we are gonna make something. I don't know, but I already made it. So the video is not yet done. We're gonna unbox a snack because it is already clear. You will not even know that it will be open or not already or already open. So let's get started. We got the Carco Coco. Okay, it's now open. We're getting our labot things. There it is. It is very covered. Here are the cookies. I'm picking up one cookie. I should pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cookies. Wait, no. He's getting the same. 4 cookies. Yeah. 4 cookies. Don't forget 1 cookie. 4 cookies. 1. Then we're gonna download this.
Download.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cookies. Just like my age. 5.
Correct.
So, let's learn numbers that can make 5. Okay. 3 plus 2 makes
5.
no. You got the answer. Okay, you got it. Four plus 1 equals to what? Don't speak.
10.
And I don't speak.
Oh.
You got the answer? Okay. If you have a responsible teacher like my mom, just teach by me first, and then your mom will say what is the answer. If your brain is a bit don't know, I will just tell you and watch this video. So we're gonna unwrap it because I'm about to eat. Unwrap 1. We're unwrapping 1. I will get something first. Just wait, okay? Just watch Air Pasta. Nanay, what bowl is that? 1. Two. Three. Four. Five. 5 cookies. Just like my eggs.
Okay. Okay.
5 cookies. Inside the 5 quarters. One. Three. 2. Top. And middle. Okay. Ready? That's okay, Tagasok. Nom 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 nom. Lamang. Nom nom. We have Mr. Waller right here. He does fireworks.
I love you for 1,000 more. I have died every day.
Waiting for
Ano
you.
si ate? Nak, you only eat 1 cookie, ha? Don't eat all 5. Are you going to eat all 5?
Yes, cause
Oh, you're not having a mukbang?
yeah.
No. You only eat 1 cookie.
All right.
Ate will eat the others, and mommy, you give mommy 1 to ate, 1 for me, 1 for you.
Okay, guys, this way. Mommy! Hi!
I just put it there. I will wash my hand first.
Okay. I will hold these two.
Ah, okay.
I'll have this.
Nangyari.
Nakalagay siya.
Ano nangyari sa quiz?
More.
Oo nga, ano result?
Hindi kami naka-check.
Here, Nanay. One for you.
O, saan ka pupunta? Dito ka. Kumain ka.
Mami, nag-work hands na ka?
Wait lang.
Ano pupunta?
O, ba't di mo binalik tong pantalon? Ay, Justin. Kung ano,
Nanay.
medyo
You can have another one. This is a spare kasi.
Ito yung sa'yo.
Asan yung
Nanay, do you have the food?
Ito, wala. Ito, kinain ko yung ano. Ilagay mo lang
Do you
yun.
want a dip?
No, it won't be yummy.
Give it to me. I will just change my clothes.
Can have to.
Thank you.
I did the chule. I'm not having a mukbang.
Do you really want to eat all the 5?
Only the 3.
Only the 3?
Only the 2.
The 2?
Yeah, 2 lang.
That's too much, no? Remember, this is
No,
still
no,
chocolate.
no, no.
1 is enough for you.
1.
Kasi baka ano yung throat mo.
Nana, can you give me those 2?
Anong kaso yung isa? Okay.
I will.
You wanna put back?
I want 1. I want 2. I want 2. Can I have 2?
You will eat 2? Are you sure?
Yeah, it's enough for me. Guys, just wait. I will give this to Ate. Wait. I guess I have 2. Just wait.
Ate will come here, man. Ate will come here.
Mommy. I will wait for Ate instead. Mommy, I'm gonna wait for Ate. Mommy, I'm gonna wait for Ate. Okay. Guys, I'm back. I have to wait for Ate.
Lagay mo dyan. Lagay mo muna
No,
dyan.
no. Okay, Mommy is here. Mommy, give me
Thank you.
first one. I should keep that for later.
Hmm?
I should keep that one for Ate. I'll keep that one for Ate. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Soda, soda pop. 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 Ah, aba, ang galing ah.
Did you saw me, guys? I guess this is the last chomp for this video today.
What's that? It's already
Oh.
your dinner or snack?
So good luck.
Pang ano na yan ah, pangalawa na
Good
yan.
luck
Snack
eating.
pa rin yan ah.